Incoming device is a Samsung Galaxy tablet with a model designation of SMT350. It's gray in color. The rear camera lens does appear to have very deep scratches. Could have a possible crack spanning from the lower right hand corner. May just be a deep scratch. Take a look at the bottom of the device. It does look like the headphone jack is round. The charging port is sitting snug for incoming charge for 1.30 amperes. It does look like the back plastic does have a crack, as well as dipping a little bit, possibly from impact at the drop. No bends. So it does look like it may have a bend going V outwards, just like this. Might slight bow, but we'll go and take a look at the front of the device. It does look like it passes a six-point random digitizer test. Go ahead and take a look at the cameras of this device.
Come on, mija. No, ¿para qué me le diste helado esta niña? Ven.
Unable to test the camera due to low battery, but we'll go ahead and go to About in the device settings to confirm the model number of being SM-T530. Yep, T350. That's a Galaxy Tab A. We'll have to check what size it is by running the model number, and then we'll be able to see if we have the parts in stock and be able to run the part cost CM3 flip.